Yo guys, welcome back to another video. And today's video we'll be talking about the remnants of tropical depression / storm Fred and tropical storm Grace. And we also will be talking about Hurricane Linda, which is 130 miles an hour in the Pacific Ocean right now. Here is the forecast cone of uncertainty right now. I haven't really looked at the forecast cone, but they said it's going to be doing some rapid weakening, which means I'll be quite surprised if it actually goes to get to 135, maybe 140. Because I think it's a bit too bullish to put up the intensity, to be honest now. So yeah, it's moving west-northwest at 13 miles per hour though. No hurricane warnings in effect. No hurricane watches are in effect because it's basically moving out towards the land. But it will be moving north of Hawaii as it gets into the Central Pacific sometime soon. So you have to keep an eye on that. You have to watch that. Then if you press I'll show you Tropical Storm Grace's cone. Right. Here's Grace's cone of uncertainty. It may not take this track. It may just do a Dorian. You don't really know. Well, it possibly won't do a Dorian. Because the high pressure system reaches a lot stronger this year. If it goes over Cuba, it will do exactly what... if it goes over Dominican Republic and Haiti, it will do exactly what Fred did. But if it stays further towards the north of Dominican Republic and Haiti, and north of Cuba, and north of Jamaica, then you guys won't have any problems. But what the HWRF was saying on the 6Z run earlier on today, they said it was going to be forming, and then they said it was going to become a hurricane later on today, make landfall in like the British Virgin Islands, Dominican Republic, and then come towards the south, just make landfall on the southern tip of Dominican Republic, and then make the landfall in Jamaica, and then make landfall in Cuba, up towards the Florida, and then literally take a bend towards the west, take a bend towards the west and head towards the Gulf Coast, Texas, Florida, Texas and Mexico, and all that. Recon is in the system right now. They're on. I don't think they're actually at the center just yet. But as soon as I'm at the center, then I might do another update. But it depends if I am not tired or not. So this will be a short update. It's just that I am not quite... I just need to get used to going back on my laptop, doing back on my laptop again, because I usually screen record them. So, yeah, anyway, they are heading towards the center of circulation, and they actually are trying to find, stuff in the center, as you can see. So where this little black line is there, that is where the center of the storm is. Or it could be further on towards the west here. It just depends where the system is, where the center circulation is. If it's touching the orange zone, say if it's touching the orange zone, or if it's touching the orange zone and the yellow zone in in the centre, then that means it'll get upgraded. Because if it goes from 45 to about 60 miles an hour, tomorrow, some people are saying that this could rapidly intensify. To be honest, it could. It looks remarkable in satellite imagery right now. I'll show you some satellite imagery of this system. You guys have tropical storm warnings in the Leeward Islands and all that. I'm going to show you guys some satellite imagery, and then I'm going to show you the forecast models. But Tropical Storm Grace actually looks pretty nice. Oh yeah, and by the way, guys, we have got 16W in the East pack, in the West pack, but they are refusing to name this system. It's now a tropical storm, but then it's actually going to weaken down to a tropical depression. So, yeah. I'm going to quickly show you the forecast models of Tropical Storm Grace and I'll show you quickly Tropical Storm Grace. Right. This is the IR imagery of Tropical Storm Grace, and as you can see, it's blowing up some really good cloud tops right now. You guys do have in the British Virgin Islands, and I don't know what those northern islands are in the Leeward Islands, but all of you guys, Puerto Rico, you've got a tropical storm warning. Same with you, the British Virgin Islands, you guys have got tropical storm warnings, and then tropical storm watches are out for Dominican Republic, Cuba, the Bahamas, Florida. Not on the Gulf Coast yet, because we don't really know if it's going to be going in that direction yet. GFS is saying all different kinds of doolally stuff and all that. They're actually predicting Grace to be as strong, and actually, to be honest, they were actually quite right. 16W, to be honest, does not look that good. I have to admit now, 16W does not look good. It's been sheared to death by some strong southerly wind shear. So I'll show you the waterfall. I'll quickly show the warm waters in the Atlantic before I show you the forecast models. The Gulf of Mexico is well above average right now. So yeah, well above average. The Gulf of Mexico is 31, touching 32 degrees in some spots. So yeah, forecast models. As you can see, we could have La Nina come back early and later on this hurricane season. So yeah. Anyway, if you guys really like my hurricane season videos and updates and all that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, because subscribing helps. So I could do more of these YouTube updates on hurricanes and all that. So as you can see now, 1009 millibars, right, let me just zoom out a bit. Right, there we go, that's better. As you can see, you see Grace here, and then you see Fred forming back in the Gulf again, and then Grace actually becomes a 1001 millibar storm, and then fluctuate between weak to strong, and then obviously really starting to rapidly intensify in the Gulf, and reaching a pressure of 932 millibars. 940 millibars, which is almost category 5 status, right there. So, if this actually does come true, you guys need to be very careful. For Grace, the HWRF is saying, it's more or less saying the same thing, but, this is the 12Z run. Right, they still, I think they're backing off of being a hurricane a bit. Moves into the Caribbean. Then, going south of Puerto Rico. They've changed it now. HWRF just wants it to go south. Over Dominican Republic. If it does that, then it's going to be sheared to death. As you can see. Over the southern tip of Cuba. And it actually wants to regain strength and really start to rapidly intensify. Near Bermuda. As a 9,605 millibar storm, so 965 millibar storm, making that from the Yucatan Peninsula. Well, to be honest, yeah, I would have thought that, right? HWR is always a southwest biased system and all that. So, yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I shall see you all in the next video tomorrow, or maybe later on. I might do 2 videos tomorrow, don't know yet. 12 AM Sunday tomorrow, and then 12 PM 8 AM Sunday and 8 PM Sunday tomorrow. So I'll have a look, see if I could do an update at 8 PM when this makes landfall over Puerto Rico. So yeah, don't forget to stay tuned, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. I shall see you all in the next video. Peace and have a great day.